Assalamu alaikum bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So guys, today I brought such is an important topic that is all about subject pronoun. What subject pronoun? What is subject pronoun? So let's begin. A pronoun which is used in place of a subject is called what? Is called subject pronoun. A pronoun which is used in place of a subject is called what? Is called subject pronoun. Subject pronoun musraga da agats kumada pronouns mudi subject pa jo use ku dita mus subject pronoun na yala issue. Kum pronoun mudi subject pa jo use ku istimal ku agtab ya mus subject pronoun na yala issue. So now we are talking about how many pronouns we have. We have 7 subject pronouns. I, we, you, they, he, she, and what? And it. So these are 7 subject pronouns. So now let's move ahead. Example की तरफ आ जाए. I am a student. I am a student. He is a teacher. He is a teacher. They play cricket. They play cricket. You called me. You called me. So this is our today lesson. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. My new video is coming to you first. So thank you my supporter.